Hi guys, I'm Malaika and welcome back to SSBeauty's YouTube channel. Does your skin get shiny in just a few hours after cleansing? Or maybe it feels greasy by midday no matter what you do? If that sounds familiar, you probably have oily skin. And trust me, you're not alone. And the good news? With the right products and skincare ingredients, taking care of oily skin can be simple. So today I will be talking about the best skincare products for oily skin to help reduce shine and control oil and keep your skin balanced. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid, niacinamide, and benzoyl peroxide. These help regulate oil and prevent breakouts without drying the skin. Step 1. Cleanser. Let's start with cleansing, your first and most essential step. You want a formula that's gentle yet effective to cut through all the oiliness and impurities. Just remember, twice a day is enough. Overwashing can actually make things worse. These are some of my top picks. The Clinique for Men Charcoal Face Wash, Minimalist 2% Salicylic Acid Face Wash, and the Derma 1% Salicylic Acid Gel Daily Face Wash. This cleanser is especially popular among men for its fresh, clean feel post-wash. The charcoal does a good job of drawing out dirt and impurities that clog pores. The Minimalist Cleanser is a great option for anyone with oily and acne-prone skin since it has salicylic acid. The Derma Face Wash is also a great option for daily use as it is gentle yet effective. Step 2. Serums. These concentrated formulas are key to treating oily skin concerns, from congestion and excess sebum to uneven tone and texture. Here are a few I highly recommend. The Derma 10% Niacinamide Face Serum, Minimalist 2% Salicylic Acid Face Serum, Caudalie Vinoperfect Radiance Serum. This serum is great for reducing acne marks and controlling sebum. This serum is great for anyone struggling with breakouts or texture. This keeps pores clear and controls oil without irritation. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and fast absorbing. It works beautifully to even out skin tone and gives a healthy glow. Step 3. Moisturizers. Yes, even oily skin needs moisturizer. Skipping it can actually make your skin produce more oil. Look for gel-based oil-free formulas with ingredients like glycerine, ceramide, and hyaluronic acid. My top picks are the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, Clinique Moisture Surge, and the Minimalist Vitamin B5 10% Moisturizer. This is a lightweight and a non-greasy formula that helps repair skin barrier. A classic favorite that delivers intense hydration and does not clog pores. This one is especially formulated for anyone with oily and acne-prone skin to lock in the moisture for long. Step 4. The non-negotiable. Sunscreen. Sunscreens are usually of two types, mineral and chemical. Chemical sunscreen tend to be lighter in texture and absorb easily, while mineral sunscreen have zinc oxide that help absorb excess oil. My top pick, the Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide Hybrid Sunscreen, Lancome UV Expert Aqua Gel SPF 50, and the Clinique Superdefense City Block SPF 50. This sunscreen has rice water and niacinamide, which helps brighten skin and reduce blemishes. This gel sunscreen feels weightless and layers perfectly under makeup. This is perfect if you're often out in the city and exposed to pollution. It also evens your skin's overall texture. So there you have it, a complete skincare lineup to manage oily skin without compromising on hydration. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might benefit. And as always, listen to your skin and take it one step at a time. Subscribe to SSBeauty for more such videos. See you in the next one.